Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sunny. So, if you are passionate about Angular and want to write clean, scalable, and maintainable code, then today we are going to dive into some of the most essential design patterns in Angular 19. So, whether you are building a small app or a large scale enterprises project, these patterns will make your life much easier. So, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Angular content. So, let's get started. So, first of all, let's understand what are Angular patterns. So, what exactly are design patterns? In simple terms, design patterns are reusable solutions to common problems that developers face while building software. So Angular 19 offers a bunch of design patterns that help us write modular, efficient, and organized code. Today we will cover some of the most popular ones, including the Singleton pattern, observer pattern, Facade pattern, dependency injection, and more. So let's talk about Singleton pattern first. This pattern ensures that a class has only one instance and provide a global point of access to it. In Angular, services are commonly implemented as singleton by providing them in the root injector. So if you remember, we had created some services in previous video, and we had created it with the help of a add direct injectable decorator and assigned providing root, and which comes as a default when creating a service. So in this service, the logger service is available globally and only one instance is created. This pattern is very useful when you need a global shared state or configuration. So next is observer pattern. So this pattern allows one-to-many dependency where object get notified whenever the state changes. In Angular, we implement this pattern using RxJS observables. So components can subscribe. So look on this example. Components can subscribe to data dollar to get real-time updates whenever the data changes. So there is a core concept, and this is the core concept in Angular for reactive programming. So third one is Facade pattern. So the Facade pattern is another interesting one. It simplifies complex logic by creating a single entry point to interact with the system. So in Angular, we can use Facade services to abstract business logic and provide a clean API to the components. So this facade pattern reduces the complexity of the component and helps keep the code base organized. So the fourth one is dependency injection pattern. We already have covered a video for it as well. So now Angular is actually famous for its dependency injection, or in short DI pattern. It helps keep the code loosely coupled by injecting dependencies from outside. So DI make unit testing easier as well and keeps the code modular and scalable. So in this example, the user service is injected into the user component without creating an instance manually. Now, so apart from it, Angular also uses other patterns like strategy pattern, uh, which is used to switch between different algorithms, builder pattern, and modular pattern. So now, what is this module pattern? It groups related functionalities into one. Those standalone components are becoming more popular. But if I talk about Angular 19, this module pattern is often replaced by the standalone components. So we already knew it and have done some practical example for understanding what standalone components are. So till now, the practice which we have done, we haven't created even a single module, but the application is still running smoothly. But it does not mean we cannot create the modules. So in coming videos, we will try to create a module and work with it. So next one comes like this one strategy pattern. So now what is this strategy pattern? It defines a family of algorithm, encapsulates each one and makes them interchangeable. So in Angular, this can be used when selecting different strategies for change detection or state management. So we have done one example for a on push strategy and have understood it. Now MBC model view controller. So we know a model view controller. This is one of the most famous pattern, and many technologies like PSP, .NET, everywhere it is used. So it the components as the controller, template as the view, and services as the model. So in components we put the logic, in templates we put the views, and services are used for the used to put the encapsulated code, or we can also say they act as a model in the Angular side. So build pattern. So in Angular form, we had done a practical example for understanding it when we created a form in one of our previous videos. So you can understand in Angular form, the form builder services uses this pattern to create from groups and controls. So guys, these are some of the most popular design patterns in Angular. So I hope you have got some idea, and in coming days we will be doing some of these patterns practically as well. But this video was just to give you an understanding of actually what is the actual meaning of design pattern in Angular. So I hope this video help us understand some key design patterns used in Angular 19. And if you found this video to be useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Also, drop a comment below and let me know which pattern you found the most interesting. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Happy coding. Thank you.